Got a video with hard subtitles that you need to clean up? In this tutorial, I'll show you 2 practical ways to remove them in CapCut on PC, and also introduce a much easier solution at the end. Let's begin. Method 1. Cover the subtitles with a mask. Open CapCut on your computer and import your video. Add the clip to the timeline. Press Ctrl+C then Ctrl+V to duplicate it, and create your patch blur effect to add to the video clip. Click the mask icon in the corner to add a mask. Then adjust its size and position until it fully sits over the subtitle area. To make it look more natural, increase the feather value to soften the edges. This method technically hides the subtitles, but because it relies on blur, you'll always end up with a blurry block. If masking doesn't give you a clean result, you can try zooming in so the subtitles move outside the frame. Method 2. Zoom to crop the subtitles out. Select your clip and go to the Basics section. Increase the scale until the text disappears. Then reposition the video to center the subject. It removes the subtitles instantly, but since it crops part of the original footage, use it only if you don't mind losing some of the frame. And if both methods feel limiting, especially when your video has a complicated background, there's a much easier option. Search for Picsman, open the Video Watermark Remover tool, and upload your video. The AI automatically identifies and removes hard subtitles from any background. No manual masking or cropping required. It's clean, fast, fully online, and you can try it for free. And that's all you need to remove subtitles using CapCut on PC, plus a much faster AI method with Picsman. If this guide helped you, feel free to like the video and subscribe for more editing tips. Thanks for watching.